Hi, I wanted to create a quick video on how you can get up and running with the Tuva project using DBT and Databricks. So this assumes you do not have um, this demo project on your machine yet, and also assumes you have not yet done any configuration of your profiles.yaml to be able to connect from DBT to Databricks. Let's kind of go through how you would do that. So this is the repository that contains the code for the demo repository, which has synthetic data in it and will allow you to run the Tuva project on that synthetic data. So I want to clone that to my local machine. I'll set my directory to the demo project, and I'm going to need to install or configure a Python virtual environment. We activate it, and I'll need then to install the packages that I'll need to run DBT. So that's going to be DBT core and DBT Databricks, which is the Databricks specific adapter. Let's give that a minute. Okay, now that we've installed DBT core and DBT Databricks, just want to do a quick sanity check to make sure that we've got some version of DBT installed. Cool, so we've got the Databricks adapter here, and we've got the latest version of DBT installed. So we know we've got DBT, we know we've got the demo project installed on our local machine, and the next step is going to be to configure that connection between DBT and Databricks. DBT has offered some pretty good documentation on how to go about this. So you've got generally a profiles.yaml where you specify all the information specific to your Databricks account. I've created just a free Databricks account that I'm using, and I've created a personal access token for that. And generally, this is kind of the format you want to follow, where you've got a host name, which is kind of the cloud provider associated with your Databricks account, and the path to the SQL warehouse where you want to run your queries. Then if you're using a personal access token, you would put your token, you would reference your token here effectively. So I'm going to take a second to put that information in, and then we can test the DBT connection. Cool, so I have updated my profiles.yaml to connect to Databricks. I've specified which profile I want to use in the demo project's dbt project.yaml file. And that, I think, means that we're ready to see if we can connect to DBT. Just clear this. And then in order to check whether my connection to DBT is good, you just run dbt debug. Once you know your DBT connection is good, you'll want to make sure to install any required DBT packages before you run any DBT commands. Otherwise, we'll get an error. So now that that's done, we can move on to running the Tuva project. Then finally, to run the Tuva project, you would just run dbt build select